Hi everyone!
Hi.
I hope you guys had a great Easter. You should tell us about it. Tell us what happened right down there. How was your Easter?
I got candy.
Cool, so he's going to get more candy.
I have more candy, but I don't really care about more candy. I'm going to show you the bunny. It's in a little bucket. There's a bunny. Cute little bunny. Bunnies don't make noises. How was your Easter?
My Easter was a shit show. Last night, I didn't fall asleep until 5 in the morning. I didn't wake up until 3:30 this afternoon. I woke up to my parents watching High School Musical with my little sister. High School Musical 3, which is a really good movie. They just watched movies all day, and we ate dinner, and it was just a shit show. It was really boring, so Easter bunny didn't come for me.
Aww. Maybe that's why the Easter bunny didn't come, because you slept till 5.
3:30.
Picked up my grandma from the hospital. She has a staph infection, so hopefully you don't catch anything.
This was my Easter gift.
Oh, no it's not. My sister's Christmas gift.
I wanted to start this new thing, like Thought of the Day, so I'm going to start it right now. I was driving home on the highway, and I passed a big billboard, and it was just a huge picture, an animated picture of a pirate, and like underneath, it just said, "Arr." Do people not realize that like pirates are still a threat, and pirates are still out there, and pirates are still like capturing people and killing people and like kidnapping them and taking their money? I realize it's ECU's mascots are the pirates. To me, putting up a billboard of a pirate that says "Arr," kind of like putting up a billboard of like Saddam Hussein with an AK-47 in his hand, caption being like, "I'm gonna shoot you." Don't you think that's just a little strange? I don't know. Let me know what you think. Put your comments down there.
It's not in Arabic.
That's Thought of the Day for today.
There was a story recently about pirates. It looks like this is like the product of incest bunny because its eyes are so far apart. There's a duck, which looks like at first glance I thought it was like one of those vibrating ducks.
Thanks for watching this new video.